Wow. Read it down? No, read it back. Jackdaws are taking the deer's fur to use as nest material. Wow. Is this symbiotic? Does the deer even care? No, the deer's like, actually, that feels pretty good. Go ahead. I like the grooming. So these are little birds that are pulling hair directly out of a perfectly calm deer.
Looks very sleepy, actually.
Yeah, I think it finds it to be quite relaxing, and they're going to utilize this material to build their nests, which is probably a great material for that. That's a comfy material right there, Will.
That's when two animals kind of just work out.
Symbiotic.
Yes.
Yes. I mean, those birds might not want to try it with a different animal. Might not go so well.
But I would imagine this would be very, relaxing for the deer.
Apparently.
They shed too, right? And it seems like they're grabbing tufts of hair.
Yeah. Do you? There's no pain because it is pulling a little bit too.
There's a bit of tugging, yes.
Is there no pain to the deer, or is it just so stimulating? Yeah, maybe he's having a time. He might be having a time.
It's like, I got all this hair. I mean, you can totally use it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, the deer's never been brushed before. No one's out there brushing deer, as far as I know.
That's a great shot as well.
That's true.
The bokeh.
Tons of bokeh. Very long lens. And obviously the person can't be too close to the deer, but I've never seen this in action before. Cool.
Yeah.
MRI of what it looks like when rubbing your... Oh, I've seen this before. Yeah, the eyes being pushed back into the head. Yeah, never rub your eyes again. Yeah, eyes are strange. I mean, they're just like sort of floating there. And yeah, it's pretty weird. Video MRI is wild.
And the eye kind of just gets a little mashed.
Yeah.
Just slightly mashed.
Right, the shape of it goes more football. Just gets squashed down.
Quite creepy.
Never rub your eyes again, kids, because who knows? Maybe you'll push your eye so far it won't pop back out.
Oh, is that what you tell your kids?
It just gets stuck. No, I can just imagine people watching this thinking that they don't. Yeah, it's incredible that it can recover like that. You can push it all the way back and it just bounces out. So cushioned. So it's like suspended.
Oh. I mean, with all the other stuff that's happening.
Yeah.
The teeth and nasal cavity, it's so weird and trippy.
Being a human. Yeah. The whole human machinery.
Yeah.
It's quite a lot. The tongue, there's a tongue in there too.
There is.
Yeah, there's a tongue in there.